Hey everyone, I'm the Craftacular Creator and today's process video is worthy of a star on the Walk of Fame. Or at least it celebrates those who already have one, or maybe deserve one for making us laugh for decades. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a glitzy glamorous background with heat embossing, gold splattering and, get this, no colouring at all. Plus we'll make a Dutch door card that's pure Hollywood magic. So grab your popcorn, roll out the red carpet and let's make something show-stopping. Here's a shot of the products I used. Lawn Fawn outside-in stitch star, Gleeful Gradients pattern paper, black licorice and pencil eraser cardstock, gold embossing paper, Christina Werner splatter stencil, and from Kindred Stamps the Showtime set and Showtime sentiments. Perfect for our, let's say, mirthful, musical and mildly chaotic friends. Tell me in the comments, who's your favourite character that always steals the show? Maybe the one with the flair for the dramatic, or the one who's green but definitely not mean. Let's start with our A2 side fold card base. I've cut my black cardstock to 11 by 4.25 inches and scored it at 5.5. Now, with a little twist worthy of a director's cut, we slice the front panel halfway down to the score line to create our Dutch door. This makes such a fun interactive element, perfect for cards that deserve a little applause. Now we can't have a Hollywood card without a little sparkle. I'm using my splatter stencil and some gold pigment ink to create a shimmery background. You could splatter freely, but I've learned the hard way that my glasses, iPad and cat prefer a more controlled production. Tell me, have you ever had a craft project go hilariously wrong? Glitter explosion, ink stains that look like modern art? Share your funniest crafting blooper in the comments. I need a laugh reel for their next video. Next I'm taking some pencil eraser cardstock and ink blending it with Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide ink. This gives that perfect rosy star on the Walk of Fame colour. A quick spritz of swimmer spray that adds a camera ready glow, because if we're going to Hollywood, we're going full glitz. Now, every blockbuster needs its cast, and I couldn't resist choosing a few famous puppet personalities whose collective names might start with an M. You know, the ones who prove it's not easy being green, and who love a dramatic musical number or two. Instead of colouring, I went for gold embossing for their outlines, because these stars shine all on their own. Even without their usual colours, you can totally tell who's who. While the embossing powder was out, I also added the sentiments Happy Birthday and From Our Cast and Crew. Seriously, look at all that shine. You could spot this from the balcony seats. Time to assemble. I arranged my characters and stars carefully, adding glue just to the edges. We don't want to accidentally close the curtain on our Dutch door. And yes, I might have gone a little overboard on the shimmer, but in Hollywood there's no such thing as too much sparkle, right? Apologies for that scene being a little out of shot, but I'm sure you knew what was actually happening at the time. Here's the finished card, all glitz, glamour and golden glow. The outside sparkles like a premiere night and the inside has a perfect space for a handwritten note or maybe an autograph from your favourite star. Tell me in the comments, who's your all-time favourite movie or TV duo? If you had a star on the Walk of Fame, what would your signature talent be? And do you prefer movies or musicals? This card was inspired by episode 279 of Craft Roulette. The parameters were a card for kids, or kids at heart, theatre colours, red, gold and black, characters from the big screen, or the big stage, and a mix of half images and half background paper. With mention of Craft Roulette, here's a slide to explain what it's all about. That's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this, please get clicky for Vicky. Your support truly helps this channel keep the creative light shining bright. Thank you so much for watching. I hope today's video left you feeling starstruck and inspired to add a little showbiz shimmer to your next project. Until next time, keep shining, keep crafting, and don't forget, stars are just crafters with good lighting. Ta-ta for now.